How to enable developer mode in Odoo. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable developer mode in Odoo. So first of all, you need to open a new browsing tab on your web browser and search for odoo.com, and that's the official website of Odoo. And after that you have to log into your Odoo account, and after logging into your Odoo account you will be redirected to this dashboard. And to activate the developer mode, you have to select the settings option from here. As you can see, after clicking on settings option from here, you just have to scroll down a little bit, and on the end of the page you can see there are three options called activate the developer mode, activate the developer mode with assets, activate the developer mode with test assets. So we'll just simply click on the activate the developer mode, and as soon as we click the active the developer mode, it's already in the developer mode. As you can see, there's already an option called deactivate the developer mode. So if you click on the deactivate the developer mode, the developer mode will be deactivated successfully. So that's it for this video. See you on the next video.